tremendous personal hardship has inspired generations of Kashmiris in resisting the occupation and tyranny. Sayyid Ali Gilani will be remembered for his matchless sacrifices and unconditional love for Kashmir and for Pakistan. Today we pay rich tribute to his lifelong dedication for justice and freedom and reaffirm our support to the people of illegally occupied occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We also urge the Government of India to give unhindered access to his family and followers to his final resting place. Prime Minister Anwarul Haque will visit Nairobi, Kenya to participate in the Africa Climate Summit to be held from 4th to 6th of September. Foreign Minister Jalil Abbas Jilani will accompany the Prime Minister. The visit is taking place at the invitation of President William Samoei Ruto of Kenya. At the summit, the Prime Minister will articulate Pakistan's perspective on the global climate crisis and highlight our national efforts to rebuild in a climate-resilient manner after last year's devastating floods. Prime Minister's key messages in Nairobi would include the need for enhanced climate cooperation at all levels to confront the common challenge of climate change in an effective manner. In Nairobi, the Prime Minister is also expected to hold a series of bilateral meetings with his counterparts from Africa, including Kenya, and with other high-level dignitaries. The Africa Climate Summit is the initiative of Kenya and the African Union. Pakistan's high-level participation in this summit is not only in keeping with its traditionally proactive climate diplomacy, but also in line with the Look Africa outlook for enhanced engagement with countries in Africa. I thank you.
ترجمان دفتر